How to set Spotify songs as ringtones. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can set Spotify songs as ringtones. Now to do so is quite a bit complicated, so let me guide you. First thing you need to keep note in mind is you can't set a Spotify song as a ringtone on your device. You can download it, but you can only listen it while you're offline. You can set it as a ringtone. So to set it as a ringtone, what you want to do is head into YouTube. Now open up YouTube app, and then on YouTube searching for the song that you want to set as a ringtone. You'll get any songs on YouTube, so I'm sure that you'll get the song that on Spotify on your YouTube as well. You can copy the link. Now once you copy the link, what you want to do is head into your browser and search in for Y2Mate. Now search in for Y2Mate and this link will open up. Once you search in y2mate.com, what you want to do is type in your link here that you just copied, and if you scroll down below you'll be able to download the mp3. You can head into audio and you can download the audio, and once you download it you can head into your phone settings and then head into ringtones. Here on ringtone you can set your ringtone from here, and you can choose from your phone music audio. I don't have any audio downloaded at the moment. You can simply select it by tapping on the plus icon at the top right corner, and then you can select songs from your albums once you download it from Y2Mate. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.